So again, i-open nyo yung na-generate niyo na data from Shopee. So ito, October, mag-example na tayo. So saan yung sales natin dito? And again, this is your original product price. So for October, yung sales natin is 150,000. So ilalagay lang natin dito, sales, credit kayo ng sales, 150,000. Yung sales returns, allowances, and discounts, again, tingnan nyo yung na-export nyo na file. So refund amount, so ito yung sales returns natin, so 888. So again, lalagay natin siya dito, debit kayo ng sales returns, allowances, and discounts na 888. So next natin is yung mga fees. Ito na yung mga fees. So again, wala tayong shipping fee, 0 lang siya. But yung mga platform fees, ito total ninyo. Because yung nakalagay dito na fees and charges, again, includes yung withholding tax. So yung kailangan natin i-add, itong commission fee, AMS commission fee service fee, support program fee, and transaction fee. So i-add natin yan. That would give us ito 19,023. So yan yung ating mga fees and charges. 19,023. So lalagay natin dito fees and charges, 19,023. And yung creditable withholding tax natin, ito yun, hinighlight na natin, 653.68. So lagay nyo lang dyan, 653.68. And yung cash natin, or yung net natin na natanggap, ito yung total release amount, 129,435.32. 129,435.32. So again, if i-total niyo yung debit tsaka credit niyo, dapat equal yan. So kita natin, yung total ng debit and credit is 150,000. So nag-debit tayo ng cash, creditable withholding tax, fees and charges, sales returns, 150,000, and nag-credit tayo ng sales ng 150,000. For the 8%, yung gross sales natin, again, from the working paper and yung details ng working paper, galing doon sa na-export natin na Excel file from Shopee platform. Yung sa inyong income, may income ninyo sa finance, doon sa seller's dashboard. Pwede nyo i-generate yon. So gross sales natin is 2,185,000. Sales returns and allowances and discounts natin is 85,446.80. That would give us the net sales of 2,099,553.20. So other operating income natin, wala tayo niyan. So yung total taxable income natin is 2,099,553.20. So again, allowable reduction if